Hello everyone, welcome to our Magento 2 tutorial series where we simplify e-commerce for you. Today we are diving into one of the most essential tasks for any online store owner, creating simple products in Magento 2. Magento 2 offers a variety of product types to cater to different business needs. You can create simple products, configurable products, group products, bundle products, downloadable products, and virtual products. Each type serves a unique purpose and allows you to offer a diverse range of items to your customers. Today we'll focus on simple products, the building blocks of your inventory. Simple products represent single items without any variations, making them perfect for straightforward listings like individual books, electronics, or household items. This foundational knowledge will help you efficiently manage your store's basic inventory. In this video, we'll guide you through each step of the process to fill in the crucial product details, ensuring your products are ready to sell. We'll cover naming, SKU assignment, pricing, inventory management, and categorization. So, if you're ready to streamline your product creation process and enhance your online store, let's get started. So you have to initially log in to your admin panel, and once you're logged in, navigate to the product section by clicking on catalog in the left hand side bar and then select products. So once you move on to the products page, this page displays a list of all the products in your store. And to add a new product, click on the Add Product button in the upper right corner. So now you'll be presented with several options. For this tutorial, we'll create a simple product, therefore select Simple Product from the drop-down menu. So once you have clicked on Simple Product, we can start filling in the necessary details for our new product. We'll start with the product name. So enter a descriptive name that accurately represents your product. I will be creating a product for bag. So let me fill in the product name, bag for all genders. And next, let us add an SKU. This stands for Stock Keeping Unit. This is a unique identifier for your product. And next, let's set the price for the product. So maybe around $20. Okay. So once you fill in the price, scroll down to the quantity section. And here you can enter the number of units you have in stock. Next, let's move on to the category section and assign our product to a category so that it makes it easier for the customers to find our product. So I will assign my product to the bags category. Okay. Next, let's add a product image. To add a product image, move to the Images and Videos section and click on Browse to upload your product image. Okay, I have uploaded my product image. So now, since we have filled in all the necessary details for the product, we can save our product. But before that, let's ensure that our product is enabled and is assigned to the correct website. So to check whether it is assigned to the correct website, move on to the product in website section and check whether this tick box is selected. We have to make sure that the main website is ticked. Also, please ensure that your product is enabled from here. And now let us save our product. Click on the save button that is on the upper right corner. Okay, so now I have successfully saved my product. We can view our created product on the product list. Okay, so I have my product created and it is available on the product grid, and at the same time we can view this product on our online store. Let us move to the online store. And let us go to the bags category. So as you can see, our product is now present on the front end site as well. So we can click in this product and go to the product page as well. So the details we have filled in is available on the product page. The price, the SKU, and the image we have uploaded can be seen here on the product page as well. So that's it, everybody, and thank you for watching this tutorial on creating simple products in Magento 2, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to help you manage your online store. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content. So until next time, bye bye.